Hello everyone, it's Martha here with you, and this is a design team project for Country Craft Creations, and I'm using the super cute Good Old Days paper from Fancy Pants. There is a full tutorial for this album and it will be linked right below this video, so once you watch the walkthrough you can head over to the tutorial and create one for yourself. There will be a complete cut list, so that before you even get started, you can do all your cutting and then start your project with me. So it is a 7x7 album with a 2.5-inch spine. These papers are so beautiful, and I call them vintage but clean vintage. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but it's like a less grungy vintage. It has really beautiful white in it. So I just love it. So on the back here, this is some of the Spectrum paper from Authentique that I got in my design team kit as well. And then on the side here, this is the paper from the Fancy Pants collection. And then on the front here, this is some twine I got from the store. This is the beautiful flashcards that you're gonna see throughout the album. And then back here, I've just layered some of the papers. I've kept the cover super simple. I just want all of my albums. You guys know it's very important to me that my albums are usable. All right, so this is just a seam binding closure here. So I'm gonna open it and we're gonna get right into it here. So as you can see, it's kind of a unique design. I really love this like more choppy looking albums, and you will learn how to do that for yourself in the walkthrough, or sorry, in the tutorial. So on the front inside cover here, we have a cute little tuck spot, a pocket, and then just a little booklet to put your photos. And then back here, there's another pocket. And then I've used some of the 4x6 cut aparts here for just another booklet for your photos. So they're just tucked in like that, really cute. And then the first page here opens like this. So it opens up and down. And then here I've used those cute little flashcards, but I just cut them down to fit my panels. So I just cut a bit off the top, the bottom, and the sides just to fit my panels. And then it opens like this, so there's lots of room for photos and journaling in there. And then it closes back up with a magnet. And then the next page has one of these cute little flashcards again, except I've just cut it down a little bit differently. So this does have a magnetic closure, so it opens to the top like this, and then it opens to the side. I'll try my best to get it all in camera, but it's kind of a long album. So it opens to the side like this, and then it closes back up, and then it also opens down. So there's a ton of space for photos in there. And then the next page here, this is one of the cut aparts as well from the collection, from that Good Old Days collection. So this one again opens up, and it opens down, and then it opens to the side like this, and then like this. So again, there is a ton of space for photos in here. Good size photos too. So we'll just close that back up, and then it does close with a magnet there. And then the next page here just has a simple corner pocket here, and I've just added a little insert in there. And then the next page here has an envelope. It's got an expandable envelope here. So I don't know how well you can see it, but it does expand out here. So it's super, super cute and has a vellum window, and you'll learn how to do that in the tutorial. And then it closes down like that, and it is a magnetic closure. And then the next page has kind of an odd sized waterfall. I've never done anything like this before, and I really, really love it. So it opens like this. It has a magnet here. So it just opens up like this, all the way to the back here. So, and then it closes down again, and then it closes with a magnet. And then the next page here just has a simple pocket with a nice large insert. I've left this open here so you could tuck a photo down behind there, and that's just another one of those super cute flashcards. And then the last page on the back here, again, this is one of the cut aparts. It opens up like this, and so you have lots of nice space for photos, and it opens again like this, and then you've got a space for a photo here, and then it's got a large pocket here with the envelope punch board design on there, and then the large insert comes out, and you can obviously fit so many more photos and inserts into these pockets, but that's just what I did for this one. And then it just closes up like that, again with a magnet. And then on the back here, there is another little corner pocket on the inside back cover, and I've just stuck some of those flashcards in there. And then it's got just a nice little booklet in here for photos. All right, so that is the album. I truly enjoyed making this book. It is really, really cute. It comes together quickly. The tutorial is just under an hour, so it's definitely not super time consuming. So I hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. So it will be linked right below here. All the products that I used from Country Craft Creations will be linked below this video, as well as the cut list. That will be on this video and the tutorial video. All right, guys, if you haven't yet, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all next time.